कहाँ जाना है? अरे the guest house is pretty nice, yeah. So I'm actually vlogging. So that is Saurav. Even he's not well. He had the same kind of symptoms that I have been having, fever and throat ache and whatever, no? Same things.
Yes.
He has been also having. So both of us now have been shifted to the guest house. Yeah, it's good, yeah. So this is Saurav's room and they have a legit kitchen. Did you make something?
No, I did not make anything. Everything is given by them. Just for the water I go.
हाँ वो वाला रूम है ठीक है. They have a TV also. So this is going to be my room for the next 2 to 3 days. I have not gotten my RT-PCR done yet. Now I'm sweating because I took paracetamol, and you know after taking paracetamol if you have fever वो थोड़ा सा ना fever दब जाता है. During this time every year I have fever due to the weather change. My tonsils are very sensitive, so I've not gotten my RT-PCR done yet. But if the condition worsens from here itself, I'll go get the RT-PCR done. But I hope, fingers crossed, that you know, abhi jaisa hai, it only gets better from here. Till then, the good part is I'm gonna enjoy my stay here. Good, yeah.
So this is another room.
Wow. This is for quarantining someone else.
There is a small terrace there.
I'm not going out in the sun, but great, yeah. But there's a balcony also.
Yes, but you can't go through the door. The door is locked.
Okay. Wow. If falling sick and coming here and getting to stay at a place like here is everybody at Chimes would like to fall sick.
True.
Because this place is beautiful. Not that our hostel is not good. Hostel is also good. But this is
This is like a resort.
surely better. Surely better. Hi guys, very good evening. It is currently 6:36 PM. शाम के 6:30 बज रहे और मैंने सुबह से ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है. I had a doctor's appointment. My family doctor, online appointment I had. He asked me to get some medicines for myself. Update ये है कि weakness बहुत ज़्यादा है. I'm feeling very weak even now. Fever I guess थोड़ा सा कम है. I don't know, I have not measured it yet. मेरा बैग वहाँ है. मैंने बैग को अभी तक खोला नहीं, अनपैक नहीं किया है. अनपैक करके वहाँ थर्मोमीटर लेकर I'll measure my fever. But weakness है, headache है, थोड़ा बहुत dizziness है. And probably I'll go for my RT-PCR also tomorrow. Because you know I just can't let that be. Because even if it's a normal viral fever or COVID-19, it's always better to get your RT-PCR done and you know have a confirmation. So yeah, that is the update. यार तो रास्ते में थोड़ा ब्रेक लिया है हम लोगों ने. यार मैं एक चीज़ समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, ये चीज़ का साइंस मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहा. ये हिल कैसे रहा है ऐसे? किसी को समझ आ रहा है तो कमेंट सेक्शन पे बताओ. ये तो सबको पता ही है, ये येलो वाला ये तो अपना सिर हिलाता रहता है, पूरा गाड़ी चलता रहे वो बस. So we have reached our clinic. Finally, testing is done. It was a little more painful than last time. Abhi we are heading back home. Health update is I have been tested positive and fever उतना है नहीं. which is a good thing. Oxygen saturation is also okay. Weakness and cough is there. And I am a very positive person. I try to be as positive as possible. Everyone is telling me that, be positive, things will get better, it's all in the mind. Today is such a day that it is so difficult for me to be positive because my mum tested positive. Dad got himself tested, he's negative. My grandmom got herself tested, she's also negative. But it's so difficult for me because not that I'm here alone. It's not easy. It's not at all easy. It's taking a toll on my brain. I don't want to cry, but it's difficult. Hi guys, very good morning. Welcome to day 10 of my isolation. मेरा बाल ऐसा बढ़ सा गया है और सेट भी नहीं हो रहा, काफ़ी वियर्ड लग रहा है. 10 दिन के लिए मेरे को मेडिकेशंस मिला था. Only this vitamin C tablet that I am taking is left. I am taking this on a regular basis. Health wise I feel a lot better. और हाँ, मतलब आज मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रेश फील कर रहा हूँ. ऑल्दो आई हैव नॉट स्टेप्ड आउट मच आउट ऑफ माई रूम. दिस इज़ द रूम दैट आई हैव बीन शोइंग फ्रॉम डे वन. टेस्ट मेरे को लग रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा वापस आ रहा है. बट वन थिंग कोविड हैज़ मोस्ट सर्टनली डन टू मी इज़ टेक अवे माई स्लीप. माई स्लीप साइकिल इज़ it's like so bad. I go to sleep like at 4:30 in the morning, 4 o'clock, जब मतलब बाहर पंछियों की आवाज़ आ रही है और मेरे को पंछियों की आवाज़ सुन के और ज़्यादा नींद नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब how can you sleep? You feel freaking fresh right at 4:30 in the morning and then somehow you go to sleep and like wake up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So sleep cycle is completely ruined. Hi guys, what is up? Today is day 14 of my quarantine and finally आज के बाद मैं काम पे वापस जा सकता हूँ. I can get back to flying, I can get back to my academy and health wise I'm doing totally fit and fine. 14 days of isolation कैसे निकल गया पता नहीं. To celebrate this day I have ordered some Domino's chicken for myself. More than everything, I'm excited because 14 दिन ख़त्म हो गए और I can get back to my academy. But according to our Chimes SOP, I have to be tested negative before I can go back to my academy. So tomorrow, which is my 15th day, I am going to get tested again. If it's negative, I can get back to my academy. So hope for the best. यहाँ से आपको लेफ्ट लेना है. So we have actually finally reached. So sample has been given, testing is done. वहाँ testing हो रही है and I bought some sanitizer for myself. चलिए भैया. The next day. So from that last video that you saw, after that last take, कल मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. But the reason I am vlogging today is because my COVID results have come and guess who is negative? Yes, I am negative and being negative for the first time I'm so happy. Hold on, I'll show you my result. As you can see, this is the real deal. I am negative. Good thing is I already sent this report to my academy and I am going back to my academy tomorrow. They're sending the car. I'll be going back to my hostel. I am so damn happy.
The next morning.
Oh, that's the car. Chalo. Finally negative. I'm back. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Yeah. क्या हाल चाल कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया, अभी तो नेगेटिव हो गया। ओह माय गॉड, ओह माय गॉड, feels so good to be back, man. I mean, literally, I am in my hostel room finally. Nothing can get happier than this. I met my friends outside also, but like crazy. Finally. ओके सो नहा धो के मैं हूँ तैयार, आंखें लाल है, मतलब नहाना बहुत सही हुआ है। एंड आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई टुक सच अ नाइस बाथ एंड आई फील सो फ्रेश, आई फील सो गुड। Finally some fresh air. I'm on the terrace of my hostel and again that is the runway. Beautiful. All right, so अभी कुछ ज़रूरी बातें I thought I should share and end this particular vlog. Firstly, my COVID fight and my COVID journey was not just my fight, it was the journey and fight of two other people, that is my mom and my dad. In this particular vlog, I had shared with all of you that my mom tested positive. As a matter of fact, my dad was looking care after my mom, so he tested positive for mild COVID as well. But the good thing is, along with my recovery, I think they're going to complete 20 days in like 2-3 days. And for a matter of fact, both of them have tested negative. They are fine, fit, they are working out, they're exercising, they're changing their lifestyle, nutrition, everything is going good, which is actually the primary highlight of my entire journey, because since the time I fell sick, I was COVID positive. I knew my mom and dad were very worried, and then they became positive, so I was worried, and it was an emotional turmoil for the entire family. But everybody is doing well. Honestly speaking, there are a lot of people out there who are losing their lives to this virus. Every day I go through my Instagram, everywhere here and there, people are losing their loved ones. So every time that I make a video, I find a purpose behind it. The main purpose behind making this particular video was to spread an awareness that we of course should be careful and aware about the virus, but we need not be so scared that if it happens to us we'll die. I am here shooting this video, talking to all of you. My mom and dad are there, they are doing fine. So we are examples, and we want to tell you that if you take care of yourself, if you take medications on time, if you take care of your nutrition and overall health, we all together can beat this disease. That is number one. Number two is get vaccinated as soon as possible. I personally feel that vaccination is the key to stopping the spread of this virus, because there are a lot of post-COVID syndromes as well that I will share probably on my Instagram along with this journey. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, that's the handle, go check it out. I've also decided that whatever medications I have been taking through my journey, I will share a PDF in the description below, so that if any of you are COVID positive, or if your loved ones are COVID positive and you need some help, you can check the PDF, and I'm sure that together we all can beat this virus. If you learned something from this vlog, or you want to share your own story with me, please do let me know in the comment section. I would love that. On that note, this is Captain Sky signing off. Bye bye.